A congregation in New Jersey is heartbroken after a treasured part of their church was vandalized. CBSN New York's Christina has the story from Freehold.
Inside the sanctuary of First United Methodist Church lies a heap of broken pipes and shattered glass.
You just kind of left with that shock of, what am I looking at right now?
Pastor Will Wilson says a failed burglary attempt Tuesday night of the church's decorative pipes led to a collapse that crushed their cherished organ.
It was a big part of the history of this place, in this historical church, and we're going to grieve the loss of that history.
For more than 50 years, the instrument has been the soundtrack to weddings, baptisms, and ceremonies. It's why the congregation and organ builder Alan Binger felt devastated to find it damaged by thieves who slipped in through an unlocked door.
I almost didn't want to come and look at it. I was afraid of what I was going to see.
For all their efforts, the suspects ended up leaving empty-handed. The congregation believes they were either injured by these falling pipes or they realized the scrap metal they were trying to steal actually isn't worth anything.
There are some erroneous beliefs of what organ pipes are made out of. The smaller ones are made out of an alloy of lead and tin, which isn't particularly valuable, just pennies on the pound.
Even though the organ is playing, completely repairing it may take up to a year. It's still unclear how much the thieves cost in damages.
We forgive you, and can we help you? Because the person didn't do this because it was his chosen activity. This was something, the desperation.
While the pipes were crushed, the congregation says their spirit was not. In Freehold, New Jersey, Christina, CBSN, New York.